penny.
Yeah. Half a penny, I think. Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
How much money do you get by YouTube?
How much money do you
Zero.
get?
How much money do you
You have to get 1,000 views is
You have to get verified.
Yeah.
You need to verify, then you have to subsidize.
Okay, well let's make sure you go home, everybody. Watch my videos, subscribe and like, and then let's get those numbers up. It's a team effort.
You should start with the videos, like guys. You should start the videos like subscribe to my channel.
You know, some students every year tell me that I need an intro.
Yeah, you do. And you know, you need a thumbnail.
You also need your favorite student.
All right, so here we go. Dividing fractions. 5 over 4 divided by 5. No, sorry, 15 over 12. Does anybody remember from good old elementary school? Actually, last year. How do you divide fractions?
Top and top, bottom, bottom.
You divide the top by the bottom.
Okay.
You keep one, then flip it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys
But then what operation do I use?
multiply.
So in reality, we're actually not going to be dividing fractions. We're going to be doing multiplication. We're going to be multiplying by the reciprocal. So some of your 6th grade teachers taught you to keep, comma, change, comma, flip. Keep, change, flip. Ring a bell?
No.
KCF.
Oh, yeah, same I do, yeah.
Okay. So other teachers taught it to you as multiply by the reciprocal, which is keep, change, flip. So, and that's like the order that we follow. You keep the first fraction. The first fraction is kept as is. Don't change anything. So this first fraction, you keep it. So you just bring it straight down, 5 over 4. What do we change the division to?
Multiplication.
So we change it to multiplication.
And you put 12 on the top and 15 on the bottom.
You flip this fraction. So the number on the top will be the number at the bottom. Me or you?
You guys will
I do, because
She has to.
I have to, food. Has to.
ads.
Yeah, it's a new word, you know? I made it up. Trust me.
New language and law.
And the other period I messed up on my math, and I'm like, okay, I'm inventing new math. I said 2 times 3 was 3. 2 times 3 equals 3. That's the mistake I made. Terrible. On video. I know. I'm admitting to my fault.
Choose that one.
Seriously.
Games, spoke.
All right. Now, you multiply straight across, but who really wants to, except for Dylan? 5 times 12 is 60. 4 times 15. Okay, I don't know. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
30, 40, 45. 50.
All right.
60
So,
60.
I'm going to review with you how to simplify the corners. 12 and 15.
Nope.
No.
Yes.
You said
5.
12. You said 12.
You know, my brain needs a little bit more water right now. Let me drink some H2O. It's shrinking.
I mean, don't.
I was drinking.
It's not science, bro. It's not science. I already listened to science.
I love
It
science.
frustrates my brain. I don't need enough science, bro.
Okay. What's 5 divided by 5?
1.
What's 15 divided by 5?
3.
So this is called simplifying the corner. So in order to get like smaller numbers, we divide, get smaller numbers. All right. 4 and 12. What can I divide 4 and 12 by?
3.
No.
2.
Bigger.
4.
4. I can't divide 4 divided by 3. Can't do it. So divide this by 4. Divide this by 4.
So equals 1. It's third over 3 over 3, so equals 1 whole. Equals 1 whole. Giant 1.
So 1 times 3. So now I multiply what are in my circles. What are in my circles are really small numbers. I like small numbers. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. When you have the same number as top and bottom, it is equal to a 1. 3 over 3 is equal to 1. All right, we okay? All right. Two over 3 divided by 1 over 9. Yeah, of course.
Divide by 1 9.
So what's your first step?
Keep the
switch.
2 over 3.
Yep. Keep 2 over 3. Change, or switch, I heard.
1 over 9.
Division to
2 over
multiplication, and then
flip.
so we write it 2 over 3. You're going to keep the same. You're going to change division to multiplication. You're going to flip 1/9 to 9 over 1. 9 over 1.
We're doing all of that?
This was your 6th grade notebook.
Is it?
Miss Benavente gave me hers. So
She's making a new one?
I need mine.
so it's
That
like
one?
I don't know where I left mine.
I can see like, oh, in this date you guys learned this. In this date you guys learned that.
I threw mine away.
Okay.
Same.
All right. Okay, gentlemen.
Ripping off of the page.
I'll throw mine away.
Okay. Now you could multiply straight across and then simplify over here, or you can check the corners before. 2 and 1?
No.
Nope. 3 and 9? Yes. Well, I can divide by 3. So go ahead, put a little divide by 3, little divide by 3, and circle your answers. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Of course, if you need your multiplication table, please have it out. Please use it. Don't, you know. At the end, okay, so let's finish and then I'll answer your question. 3 divided by 3 is
1. Oh, wait,
3.
3. Oh, wait.
3 divided by 3.
I'm very confused.
Of course.
listen, this, what I'm doing, Alex, is
Right.
literally what we spent yesterday doing in class.
That was fun.
This is called simplifying. The number on the top and the bottom, what can I divide by? And like, let's look at this problem. What can I divide these numbers by? I can divide by 10, divide by 10, I get 4 over 11, right? So you did this yesterday, right? This right here, these little dividing numbers are these,
Yay. Oh, wait.
okay? So what we are doing is literally what we spent the whole period doing yesterday,
Alex is not here.
okay? But this is not 7th grade. You've been learning how to simplify
5th grade.
since elementary school,
2 years.
right? So I'm asking you to do something that you've done since elementary school. Okay, 2 times 3. What's 2 times 3?
6.
6 over 1, which is equal to 6. When it's under 1, it's always that number. Now, Oscar, when we take a test and I say, okay, type in your answers, the answer that will be marked correct is 6. If you get something different because you didn't simplify over here and you got, what did you get? 18 over 3.
Yeah, I got that, but then I have
Okay. Yeah, so like if you get 18 over 3 and let's pretend you stop right there and you type it in, it will be marked wrong. If you get 18 over 3 and then go, oh, I know what that equals to, it equals 6, are we both getting the same answer? Yes. Did we take 2 different paths? Yes. Okay? As long as you know that at the end of the day, in math, you only have one right answer. How you get there, well, it depends on you. Now, I'm trying to guide you to do it the easiest way possible. Believe it or not. It might look like a little bit more work, but it's so much easier. Let's try this example. Let's see if I can convince you to do my shortcut. I don't think I can convince Dylan, but the rest of you, let's see. All right. Okay, Mel, let's first do keep, change, flip. Everybody do KCF before I do. KCF before I do. KCF before I do.
Oh, I thought she said
Keep,
Kentucky.
change,
Flip.
flip.
Oh, I thought it was
Isn't it Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's backwards. KCF, KFC.
Wait,
Chicken
I forgot.
fried. Kentucky
I said that too.
Okay, gentlemen,
Chicken fried.
rewrite it.
15 over.
Okay, so what's our two new fractions? Actually, one, right?
Yeah,
15 over 28 times what?
times 7.
5 over 7.
5 over 7. 7 over 5.
You have to flip. If you do not flip, you get it wrong. You have to flip the second fraction because in division, because we changed division to multiplication, you have to do the reciprocal. You have to flip. Now, did we flip yesterday?
Oh, yeah. No.
No. Did we flip the day before? No. So, we've never flipped before in this class. Now that we're doing division, and only in division do you flip. I don't want to see addition and all of a sudden you're flipping. No flipping. All right. Now, Dylan really wants to multiply 15 times 7.
105.
And he wants to get 100. Oops. Dylan wants to get 105 over 320. Okay. Now Dylan has to simplify 105 over 320. I don't know about you, but I'm not jealous of having to simplify that, right? Because if he types in that answer, is he going to get it right?
No.
No. That's not the answer I'm going to get. So let's simplify the corners. So you cover this up. Everybody's looking up here. Everybody's looking up here. 15 and 5.
Yes.
What can I divide 15 and 5 by? 5. This is what we did yesterday. So we're going to divide by 5. Divide by 5. You tell me what you're doing. You tell your eyes what to do. You tell your brain what to do. 5 divided by 5?
1.
1. Circle it. We're done with that. What's 15 divided by 5? 3. Cross it out. Circle it.
Yay.
It's 3 over.
Okay. Stop. We're not there yet. 7 and 28.
Oh, 3, 4.
What can I divide 7 and 28 by?
7.
7.
Oh, 7 times 4.
Wait.
And I'm not lazy either.
Oscar, stop. 7 divided by 7?
1.
Cross it out. What's 28 divided by 7?
4.
Cross it out. 3 times 1?
3 times 1. 3.
4 times 1?
1. 94.
94. I'm looking at that.
So, Dylan, you have to take 105 over 320 and go all the way down to 3 over 4.
Yeah, easy.
Of course. Of course. Totally. Yeah. So, although this looks like a lot of work, it's not. And it's literally avoiding having to simplify here. Imagine how many times you have to simplify to get all the way down to that answer. A lot, right? And the probability of you making a mistake along the way is high. Like you might not choose the right number to simplify by. So, do you want to do this all the way to here? No, I don't. This is a lot easier. I know it looks kind of hard, but it's really not. And if you use your multiplication table, even easier. All right, see how far you can get without me on this problem. That's a 4. What's up?
I have a question. Math to math question. Can you? So you can write.
Keep, change, flip first.
Okay, so keep.
Keep, rewrite it. Keep, rewrite it. Change, rewrite it. Flip, rewrite it.
Okay, so this is multiplied.
Correct.
I flip 3 over 4, so it's 4 over 3. And
So you should get 9 over 20 times 4 over 3. Could you do that without me? Yeah, that's the first step. You should be able to do that without me. I feel like this is like not even math. You do it. Keep, change, flip, right? I haven't actually started any math. I just rewrote it correctly. Keep, change, flip. Now starts the math. Now you check your corners. Because I really don't want to deal with 36 and 60. Don't want to do it. 3 and 9. What can I divide 3 and 9 by? 3. So I write it down. I show my work. The more work you show in your notes, the easier it will be for you later because you can look back and go, oh, yeah, that's right. She divided by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3? 3. Right? So this no longer exists. That no longer exists. 4 and 20. What can I divide 4 and 20 by? 4. So divide by 4. Divide by 4. 4 divided by 4? 1. 20 divided by 4? 5. Now we multiply straight across and we get 3 over 5. Which is a lot easier. If you didn't do the shortcut, you would end up with 36 over 60. And then simplify and divide all the way to here.
that hard.
I don't know. Of course not.
Divide by 6 and then divide by 2.
Divide by 6 and then divide by 2. Woo, so much work.
Feel different.
Mm-hmm.
Should be an honors.
You should be in honors.
Yes.
You should go now.
I have to be in honors.
You have to.
Me and Dylan.
Totally.
Yeah,
All
of
of us. All of us. Let's just go right now.
Nope, I don't want to go to my room.
Okay, number 2. You write 1/8 times 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Remember to flip the second fraction. If you don't flip the second fraction, the whole thing is wrong. And our answer is 3 over 16. We can't simplify. We're done. Can't simplify the corners. Can't simplify at the end. You are done. This side's extremely easy because I don't think you have to simplify. All right, ready, set, go. 1 through 6 on the front. 1 through 6 on the front.
Check it? Yes.